now we're installing a roll bar in this FC RX7. We went ahead and put some marks down and started drilling holes through the floor here. Just be careful whenever you do this that you don't punch holes in the gas tank. So just keep an eye on where you're drilling through. But this does come directly through the frame, through the body of the car here, and you can see the ground on the other side. Yeah, it's pretty nice.
So I'm just using a 1/2-inch drill bit here, drilling through the plates for the bottom, and then I'm also going to go through the roll bar. I'm going to go through the body, and then I got this 1/2-inch all thread. I'm going to use 2 locking nuts, and we'll pinch the whole thing together. That way it's nice and snug to the frame. Gotta go from the bottom on that one. Oh yeah.
You're just gonna do it the one. So here we got all the bolts in, as many as we could anyways. The front's there. The bolts were a little too big and wouldn't fit because of the roll cage. So we got 3, 2 in the front, 3 in the front. 2 over here, 3 over there, and 2 in both corners. So looking pretty good.